Over here on a fine Thursday, stopped at Gately Audio. Gonna check out the Soulgasm. Soulgasm, what's that? You're about to find out. Now this shit's completely under construction. It's got a long ways to go. But I had to show you right now. Yeah, there he is. Look at this. We'll do a quick little run around. I'll get a little closer here in a second, but we got people down here welding on the floor. Gonna find out.
Firewall from blowing apart.
Is that what that is?
Yeah. It's kind of the thing with these Tahoes.
I mean, full steel cage. This is the no judge zone. It's not done yet, but you can clearly see what's going on. Look at that. Now this is fully oh, you know what? Dang, I didn't even.
Get the okay.
That is steel right there. That's been bent and shaped. It's about as caged as it gets right here. It don't get more caged than that. Wow. This is what the floor is looking like, and they're just starting. What is going on with this thing? First of all, how many subs is that, and how big are they?
A bunch.
16, a bunch.
12 Gately Audio Relentless 15s. So they're, 80-pound subs, carbon cone, carbon dust cap, 4-inch coil, 4,000 watt RMS monsters.
Oh my God.
It'll be a 6th order. That's actually part of the port assembly back there. You can see that kind of notch, and we've got a bunch of pieces to go in back there on the top side and the bottom side to complete that port, and a little bit of sanding and smoothing that stuff out before that all goes together. But has to be real strong.
Sick as hell. How much weight do you think that you have in here? I mean, I didn't even realize that that was steel on the side until I started looking at it through my camera. Does that go all the way back just like that?
No, it goes to right here. So
okay.
The Colt's cage ended there, and then he made these components. I mean, it's B-pillar sealed. I mean, we're all the way to the B-pillar welded. So, yeah, and then you can see some wild stuff that we did up here with a little bit of help from you. You remember making this piece for me? You made this component for us a couple months ago.
Little laser action.
Yeah, and then Colt tapped all of these holes. These are 1/4-20, so we're going to machine a piece of acrylic that'll go under that. We'll probably tuck some lights in here and put a big 3D engraved logo into that piece of acrylic there. That should be kind of cool.
What's going on with these A-pillars? What's going on with these doors? I mean, there's so much going on. I don't even know what to ask.
The doors will have, 8 6.5-inch sky-high Neo premiums. They have the carbon fiber cones. So we're going to put some lights behind them, and so all the drivers will glow. These will be, upholstered in black suede. There'll be quite a bit more shaping done to these before they get upholstered, but you can see the primary structure, and you can see these are super duper strong. These are going to actually add strength to the doors. This will help prevent the doors from getting blown apart by all the sound pressure.
Fucking sick.
What's going on? A little bit of steel on the floor to help keep the floor and the firewall together. Often in Tahoes and Suburbans from this generation that have a pretty loud build, it'll actually blow that metal apart. So the A-pillars, it'll be the same speaker configuration as the Green Monster, the Bloodbath, and the Raiden truck. So the Soulgasm will have, the only difference is he'll be using the sky-high 3-inch Neos along with the B2 CDR horns. We're a big fan of those CDR horns, especially in this application with a vehicle this loud. Those horns are really the best thing to keep up with everything and sound clean.
You know, I was gonna say I'm guessing the amps are going back here, but someone already told me. But I would have guessed the amps are going back here even if they didn't tell me.
I mean, it's pretty easy to figure out with 6 power and 6 ground, a sky high 4-aught.
God damn. What are you powering all those subs with?
So the subwoofers will be powered by 6 of our Gately Audio G1-5700D amplifiers. So with the voltage we'll have from those MechMan alts and all of these limitless Retro 56 batteries, we'll be a little over 15 volts, and we should be seeing 8,500 watts of power per amp. So just over 4,000 watts each, though.
So how much power total? I don't feel like doing the math in my head right now.
I mean, if we're, 50 some odd thousand.
50 some odd thousand watts?
Yes.
All right. All right, so I'm about to slide underneath your truck. Yes, I am on my back. I'm trying to get underneath here. What's this battery bank got in it?
4 limitless Retro 56s. Makes a total of 6 because there's 2 more under the hood.
Now I'm about 6 inches from the bottom of this truck, and it's hard to get good video, but you can see what's going on. This wiring is supreme, like everything else. So up to the front, looks like we got 4 MechMan 400 amp alternators, sick ass quad bracket, limitless up front, super clean as always, and it's not even done yet. Just to show you, this thing is caged all the way to the back. Cage.
86 cubic feet of internal box volume. So it's a monster.
So when I went to open this door, he said, it's kind of ugly in there, but it's not ugly. First of all, it's under construction, so nothing's finished yet. But that ain't ugly to me. That's badass. Dude, sick as hell.
Smooth that shit out with body fill and spray it with a bunch of bed liner.
Hey, that's what updates are for, man.
Yeah.
That's what updates are for.
I mean,
so
things are never done.
So this ain't my build. This is their build. I have nothing to do with it other than I get to come over and check it out while it's under construction. So if you want to see some updates, subscribe to my channel. Head over to Gately Audio Instagram, all this stuff. Just type in Gately Audio, you'll find it all. And until the next update, I'm out of here. This is going to be sick, though. Can't wait.